welcome to my video. Sorry, nag-uubo ako. And sorry yung boses ko, hindi na maano. Kasi, okay. Pero, dito tayo sa Tokabogka. Ay, naku. Okay, so, mag-ano tayo ng gift. Sorry. So, here, kita niyo to. Wait. Right. Not that. Yeah. What? Okay. What is in here? What the? What? Okay. Interesting. We have all of this. Okay, mag-ano tayo. Mag-package tayo. Sabi niya. What? What is this, bro? May bago. Yeah. And this. That. And what's in here? Oh, frick. Dang. May date siya. Oh. I know what this means, guys. No, perfecto. Think ko. Ay, dito pa eh. Ano to? Shh. Oh. What the frick is this? Oh, may slime. Perfect. Perfect factor. So, post natin sa YouTube, of course, because I want to have more lot of the Nano ko to eh. Go and get this thing. Okay. Think ko. Bakit to sa kanya? Magagawa ako ng classroom para kasi mag-test tayo. I-vlog ko lang yung that's all done. Yeah. Okay, ipapackage na to natin. Oh. I need the small bag, box, so we can put this. Wow, this. Okay, so i-ano natin siya at maggagawa lang ako ng part 2. This is the part 1 that I made. Okay, so hindi ko maka-English kasi hindi ko medyo marunong mag-English. Wait. So, part 2 na lang yung ng like for part 2. Kasi gagawin ko pa yung mga classroom like that. So, bye! Like for part 2. Thanks.